go. We back. Welcome to the cooking channel. Hey, leg doing good. Man, today we gonna do some Rocky Mountain oysters. Rocky Mountain oysters, man. Hey, that came from Canada. You know what I'm saying? It came from Western United States. Man, Rocky Mountain oysters is good. You never had no good Rocky Mountain oysters fried? Oh man. Now, it was a little guy back when I came back to Texas. When I came down to Texas, he was like, man, I got a little cart. He had a little cart he pushed around selling little hot dogs and stuff, but he wasn't making much money. I say, man, you need to make some money. You need to sell Rocky Mountain oysters. You right next to the livestock show and rodeo in Houston. And I say, he said, man, I don't know how to cook that there. I said, I'm gonna give you a recipe for it. So I gave him a recipe. He started cooking, started making some money. And then he started making some money. But later on he died, he had no kids. So he gone. I can tell you the secret I told him. And this is one way to cook them now. Don't think it's the ultimate way to cook them. There's many ways you can cook them. I'm going to just show you this one way I taught him, and he made a lot of money doing it. Come here, let me show you how you put some Rocky Mountain oysters together. First of all, you're going to need some Rocky Mountain oysters. Now, you know what? Them bull nuts. So let's spank them. Ooh. Now, I ain't going to spank them. I ain't going to hit them, man. Oh, but anyway, you're going to need some Rocky Mountain oysters. You're going to need some black pepper, salt. You're going to need some cayenne pepper and some garlic powder. Now, to make your batter, you're going to need some eggs, some mustard, flour, and you know you're going to need some grease to fry them in. And you can serve them with cocktail sauce, hot sauce, or you can squeeze lemon on them. Man, Rocky Mountain oysters. Now, I know that the subscriber base on the channel got big. Somebody told me it was 1,000. Now, I wouldn't even look at it, but they keep commenting on it. So I'm like 1,000. So I guess that's good. So, hey, you might not know what that is, but I'm going to let you know an expert. You don't know what Rocky Mountain oysters is? I'll let him tell you. Ask somebody. Tell him.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Ooh, there we go. Welcome back to the cooking channel, man. Hey, these Rocky Mountain oysters going to come out good. Man, you like them? Come and let me show you this here now. Now, I'm going to put me some salt, cayenne pepper, garlic, and salt, black pepper on these here. I season both sides of them. Turn them over. I also put the same amount of seasoning in my flour because you want them to batter real good. Now, I got me 2 eggs. I whisked them up real good. Now, you want to add just a tad of mustard to them eggs. That's going to help you out on your oysters. Mustard. There we go. There we go. About right there. Just maybe about a teaspoon. And we're going to stir them off in there like that there. And you want to stir that up real good. Stir this up. If you got a blender, it makes it even work better. But I can do it with a fork. I'm the cooking general. Now what you want to do here, you might like, oh man, that's a lot of mountain oysters. No, this ain't even all of my did. Hey, I'm only going to do 10. Hey, I know somebody who got 24. So let's do this here. So you want to take them, dip in your egg, just like that. Then put them in your flour. Shake it up like that. Take your nut, egg, flour, shake them up like that. That way they won't touch each other and stick to each other. Get you another one. Put the egg, flour, shake it up. And we just do them all like that. Since you know how to do it now. One at a time though. There you go. Coat them real good. Make sure you got a good egg mixture on them. There we go. Shake that up. There we go. Put that in there. Now, put the top on. I want to make sure they mix good. Shake them around. Alrighty. We got it all shook up real good. Now, when you're cooking Rocky Mountain oysters, you got to be cool. Can't help it. Sorry. Gotta put them back on. Because you gotta be cool when you do this. Now, you get your grease hot. You got them shook up real good. Then you're gonna take them, drop them in there, like that. There we go. Let them fry. Oh man, here we go. Guess the recipe I taught him. Man, Rocky Mountain oysters, boy, they gonna be good. Now y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna show you how they look when they get done. And we're gonna serve them with these sauces over here. Cooking General, man. You better ask somebody. Oh, welcome back to the Cooking General. Back, man, we got these Rocky Mountain oysters. Good, man. Come here and check them out. Check this out here. Look at that, fried up golden brown. Serving on a leaf of lettuce, you know what I'm saying? You got your little lemon squeeze, you want lemon squeeze on it. You got your cocktail sauce, you want cocktail sauce. And you got your hot sauce. Now, this is an aphrodisiac food. Now, that is an aphrodisiac that helps you get you up, you know what I'm saying? If you're a man or a woman, man, I'm telling you, mountain oysters are pretty good if you like that kind of thing. Now, the Cooking General telling you, I showed you a lot of recipes. This is good. Take my word for it. If you like mountain oysters, try this recipe. That is good. Cooking General, ask somebody.
Cooking General, where you going? You better come back here so you can taste it.
What?
So the people can see how you taste.
Oh, y'all
You
gonna
come on here.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna, now you can, y'all tell them that they can use all these sauces?
Yes, you did. Go ahead and do your thing.
Okay, I'm gonna use a little, I'm gonna do some little hot sauce on mine and, put, you know, dash a little hot sauce on it, you know. Yeah, I'm finna.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you got it? You got it? Okay, okay.
Yeah. Bite it, eat it. Don't be scared. Turn around and look at me.
No, whoa!